Hello guys, welcome back again, and this is Danny. Today we are going to see a program in Java using netbeans. Okay, now we are going to see a program in which I'm going to display the employee name and the employee number and his salary according to his daily wage category and his salaried wage category. So I'm using two categories here. One is the daily wage category and another one is salary wage category. Okay, so now let's go into the program, and here is the main function here. So in this main function I'm just creating objects for two classes. Daily worker is D and the salaried worker S, and here I am just initializing three parameters. The first is the employee ID, and the second is the employee name, and the third is the the first is the employee number, the second is the employee name, and third is the employee ID. So this goes as well for the salaried worker category. So here is the employee number and the employee name and the employee ID. Okay, so here are two I'm calling a function called compare here, and I am just calling the function by using the two objects which I have created, D for the daily worker and S for the salaried worker. So here I am just passing an argument called 45. This is nothing but it's a salary amount which I'm just passing here. I'm just calling this function using this two objects I have created for daily workers and salary workers. Now let's go for the worker class. So here is the worker class. In this worker class, I am just initializing a name in string and employee number as integer, and inside this I have created a constructor with an argumented constructor. In this constructor, I am just passing two arguments. One is the number and another is the string. As you can see, one for name and another for employee number. So I'm just initializing the employee number equal to number and name as n, and here I'm using a function called show just to display the employee number and the employee name, and the work in worker class is over. Now let's go for the class daily worker, and in this daily worker I'm extending the worker class here. Actually I'm going to create two classes. One is for daily worker and the another one is for salaried worker, and I am going to extend both of the class in this main class worker. Okay, because only if I extend or only if I inherit this class worker, then only I can use this show function. If I use this show function only, I can display the employee number and employee name. Okay, now in this daily worker I'm just initializing a number, string, and or it's nothing but the employee number and the name of the employee, and finally the employee number, the name, and the ID. Okay, now inside this I am going to use a function called compare, and in this compare I am just going to display salary, and to show the salary I am going to use a formula called rate into hour. Okay, so only if I just do this calculation, then only I can get the salary for both the daily workers and the salary worker. So here is the formula to calculate the salary rate for daily worker, and as well as in this salaried worker class I have declared the same things, and I am going to display the salary, and here is the rate into hour. So this hour only I have mentioned earlier as 45 here. Okay, so now let's run this program. So as I have declared earlier, in the program itself I have declared the name and the numbers and the employee number, name, employee name, and the employee ID, and even the salary. So I directly got the answer for both daily workers and the salary workers. Thank you, friends.